Ooh. Sideshow unboxing. This is very exciting. All right. Hey guys, Adam here at Tested, and I have a new gift from Sideshow here. This is unsponsored, however, they did give this to me. It is a Mandalorian collectible. Oh, I'm really excited about this. All right, we gotta deal with our trash here. Oh, really? Upside down? That's a terrible reveal. All right. Oh my gosh. Oh, dude. The Ambin rifle? No way. All right. It is a great time to be a nerd collector of things right now. So this is the outer box of Sideshow's 1/4 scale Mandalorian and Child. 1/4 scale. I don't know if it's that tall, but could be. Dude, look at this thing. Also, by the way, full marks for beautiful packaging. This matte finish, the beautiful color going on. It's clear design team spent a long time getting this right, and it shows. I'm a package nerd. I love good packaging. All right. Now I'm wondering if there's like an annual cardboard convention where people go and find out what the new cardboards are and the printing processes. I'm totally sure there is. Okay. Hey, here's a question I have for the comments. What is the industry term for these little tab flaps? Because I hate them. I know they're good and useful, but I hate them. But what is the term for these? What are they called? Let me know. Okay, so I'm gonna tip this over. When you're getting collectibles, I throw out almost all of my boxes, but I keep the collectibles boxes because if you ever want to transfer ownership, the boxes are by far the best way to transport these large, delicate objects because the people at Sideshow have already figured it out for you. Come on. I'm working against both friction and air pressure. Okay. Whew. Here's one for oddly satisfying. One of my favorite subreddits. All right. All right, we have about a half dozen parts here. Oh, including the pram. Oh, I love that smell of factory off-gassing PVC and styrofoam. It's a real thing. All right, so I'm just gonna start pulling out parts and laying them out. We've got a Mandalorian arm there. Oh, look at that. The detail on the gauntlet's gorgeous. The paint is lovely. Okay. The weathering on the glove is gorgeous. That hand pad seems just a tiny bit large to me. All right, let's see. Oh, we're gonna save that for last. Those are the heads. Here comes another arm. Beautiful. Here is the body. Oh gosh, I really do love the smell of off-gassing plastic. I shouldn't. It's not survival oriented, but damn, look at that. Is the gun removable? It looks like it's almost removable. Okay, I'm not gonna pull on it until I check. absolutely lovely. Every detail of the suit is here. Oh yeah, he already used one of his whatever you call those grenades, the mag charge. Isn't that what that's called? Amazing. Okay, so there's the. It's a good stride he's got going on there. Okay, now before I pull out the other stuff, I'm going to pull out the base and stand him up. Oh, look at that. Woo, that is a beautiful bottom. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors, beautiful layout. Number 2288 of 7500. All right, let's see how this goes. This guy. Is it that way? It's definitely not that, and it's definitely not that. So it's either that. Yeah, that's what it is. All right. Yeah, look, he's significantly turning. Ooh, magnetic. Ah, he looks pretty armless. I made that joke more than once on this channel. All right, now we've got a cape. Good God, they made a resin cape. Deuteronomy. Wow. Oh, you can't even put the head on until you put the cape on. Okay, I'm just going to point out that from a manufacturing standpoint, that's incredible. I'm not even sure what it's made of, but they use it for engineering in this figure, and you'll see how. It's absolutely gorgeous. But, I mean, just that. The flow of that and the fact that it's totally rigid, that's pretty amazing. All right, so that comes in here. Come on, cooperate. There we go. Nice. Oh, look at that. Okay, that right there, watch there. Somebody lost sleep over that. My hat is off to them. He should have quit while he was ahead. Yeah, I know. It's only dad jokes that scroll through here now. If you think it's bad what I'm saying, you should hear what I'm thinking. There we go. Gorgeous, a real gunslinger pose if I've ever seen one. That is a purposeful stride this man has. Now, if you notice over here on the cape, there's a little pin here, and I believe it is specifically for the pram. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Okay, this pram is magnificent. I've got a little child in there. Got his little environment, and there's a receiver for that part on the cape. This paint job, this edging and masking, absolutely lovely. Really nice, oily burnt metal look. I'm going to pop this on here. Just that. Like, there are so many materials that would seem rigid and would slowly creep over time. The fact that they've found one that presumably won't is incredible. Like, just that engineering of that is a real pain in the butt. They've done an impressive thing. Okay. This is amazing. I'm super into this piece. I love the Ambin rifle. Oh. I built one a couple of years ago. A couple of years ago, or was it last year? Last year. I built one of these last year. Okay, so how does this attach to our dude? Ah, I see. It goes on before the cape. So let's pull the pram. Let's pull the head. And we'll pull the cape. There's this little glyph that this fits into. Like that. And then I can, oh, that goes there. Now I see. So it all goes behind the cape. Come on, come on. There we go. Oh, yeah. I mean, I'm just going to say, I'll wager whoever built this figure, when they first saw that there was going to be a relationship between the Ambon rifle and the cape, I'll wager that was a bit of a design challenge. All right, Pram goes back. We give him his head, and now it's time for Grogu to come to life. Ooh, 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 ooh. No, you're good. Okay. Dude, the Grogu head is magnificent. That chin, that like soft chin that the child has, the furrowed brow, the glistening eyes. There we go. Oh! Oh, that's really nice. They are both looking in the same direction. They're looking towards you. Oh, I wish I could whistle the theme right now, but I can't. Sideshow. This is a pretty impressive build from an engineering standpoint. From an engineering standpoint alone, I'm really impressed with this piece. From an aesthetic standpoint, it's absolutely gorgeous. I've been immersed in Mandalorian costuming for a while, slowly gathering all the parts. And I've gathered enough parts, I think, for almost 2 complete Mandos. But the goal is just 1 for right now. And I can't see a single thing out of place on this. Like every detail, every paint detail is dead on the money. It's a lovely piece. And look, I may display it next to my Gentle Giant sculpture of the child in the chair. But I won't do that on camera. It's crossing the streams. Sideshow, my hat is off to you guys. What a beautiful piece. Thank you so much for sending it over here. I'm Adam Savage, and I will see you next time.